So we have two figures given, figure A and figure B. One gives the data of manufacturing and other one gives data of sales. So the question says the manufacturing cost and projected sales for a product are shown in figures A and B. So the cost in rupees lakhs is given here and number of items manufactured are given here. Similarly, number of items sold are here, and point to note here is that sale value is given in rupees. So the question says, further says that what is the minimum number of pieces that should be manufactured to avoid a loss. So we'll see the solution. Now in graph type questions, we can go for a very long solution, but generally time is restricted to 2 minutes only. So I'll give you a quick solution. Now when you are making 1000 pieces, just see the cost. Here it is in rupees lakhs. So here it is cost is 6 lakh rupees. And when we are selling 1000 pieces here, what we are getting? We are getting 400 rupees per piece for 1000. So that means we are getting 4 lakh. So here it is 6 lakh and here it is 4 lakh. So we are having a loss. Let's see the next figure. Next figure is when we make 2000 pieces. The cost incurred is 7 lakh rupees. And when we sell 2000 pieces at the rate of 350 rupees per piece, the sale value is also 7 lakh rupees. So that means when we make 2000 pieces, and sell 2000 pieces, there is no profit, no loss. So answer is option A.